We all dream of having our own personal movie theater where we can escape into cinematic worlds without ever leaving the comfort of home. For those of us living in small apartments, this dream might feel out of reach. Space is limited, and creating a dedicated home theater can seem like an impossible challenge. But what if we told you it's possible to bring the magic of the movies into even the tiniest of spaces? Today, we're going to show you how to create a budget-friendly, DIY movie theater setup that transforms your compact apartment into a cozy cinematic haven. With a little creativity and some smart planning, we can make movie nights something truly special. Before diving into any project, planning is key, especially when working with limited space and a tight budget. We need to break down our expenses into essential categories: the projector, screen, sound system, seating, and decor. A good quality projector doesn't have to break the bank. Look for refurbished models or budget-friendly brands that still deliver sharp images. For the screen, consider a pull-down projector screen or even a DIY option using a white sheet or blackout fabric. When it comes to sound, affordable speakers paired with a simple receiver can create a surround sound effect. For seating, get creative with floor cushions, bean bags, or even repurposed furniture. And finally, decor can be as simple as fairy lights, posters, or themed decorations that enhance the movie watching vibe. By prioritizing essentials and hunting for deals, we can keep costs low while still achieving a professional look. Now let's get hands-on with setting up our tiny apartment movie theater. Start by positioning the projector at the optimal distance from the wall or screen to ensure a clear and large image. If ceiling mounting isn't an option, a sturdy shelf or table will do just fine. Next, focus on the sound system. We can create a DIY surround sound setup by placing speakers strategically around the room on shelves, side tables, or even mounted on the wall. Once the tech is in place, it's time to add personality to the space. Use string lights, LED strips, or lanterns to create a warm and inviting ambience. Add a few cozy rugs or curtains to improve acoustics and soften the space. With these steps, we'll maximize every inch of our small apartment while creating a functional and stylish movie theater setup. Now movie night is complete without the right accessories to elevate the experience. Stock up on soft blankets and plush pillows to make seating extra comfortable, especially if you're using floor cushions or bean bags. A popcorn maker is a must-have for that authentic theater feel, but a simple stovetop method works just as well. Don't forget beverage options, whether it's soda, wine, or homemade mocktails. Having drinks ready adds to the fun. To optimize the viewing experience, arrange seating so everyone has a clear view of the screen, and adjust lighting to minimize glare. If you're watching different formats, like widescreen or classic films, tweak the projector settings accordingly. These small touches will make your tiny apartment feel like a true cinema. And there you have it, our cozy, budget-friendly tiny apartment movie theater is complete. This setup proves that you don't need a lot of space or money to create an immersive cinematic experience. Imagine curling up with friends or family, surrounded by twinkling lights and the smell of fresh popcorn as the opening credits roll. Whether you're into action blockbusters, indie films, or nostalgic classics, this space is perfect for enjoying them all. Some of our favorite picks for a first movie night include timeless favorites like The Princess Bride or Inception. We'd love to hear from you to share your own creative solutions and tips for building a home theater in a small space. Let's inspire each other to turn our tiny apartments into dreamy movie havens. Thank you for watching, and happy movie nights!